Can I cut off? I'll ask you later.
Cut off this pin. Hold it like this. Cut toward you.
Okay. Like this?
Just cut right in there. Back where you're not getting bone there. Got it? A little bit. There. You feel it. Feel the bone in there? There. Now pull with this hand.
I can't. It's like really slippery.
Yeah. Okay, I'll get it.
Yeah, thanks.
You want to take the guts out or you want me to?
I'll take some out.
There's only one way to take them out.
I'll do it. Like that?
There they go. This one is a female.
How can you tell?
Them are eggs. Yeah. Gross you out.
Well, this number's
Caviar. Fish eggs.
Do you eat the fish eggs?
Well, I do when there's a lot of them. There's not enough there to worry about.
Ooh, can I get a spine?